Hello everyone friends, in this lesson we will draw the example you have seen, an example drawn only with the line command. First of all friends, we need to set a starting point when drawing. Without further ado, let's start our example now. At the bottom left, from this point to the right side, a measurement of 150 units is given up to here. I pressed L, I pressed space, I clicked once on any point. When I move my mouse, I press F8 so that we can draw straight. I moved it to the right side, entered 150 on my keyboard, and pressed enter. Look, upwards 35 units. Let's even look at a few measurements. From this point up to this point, 35 units. Then, from here to the left side, the measurement is given above, 35 units. Then, from this point upwards, that is, up to this point, it looks like no measurement is given. But we see that when we draw it like this, 60 units are given up to there. And if that part is 35 units, when we subtract 35 from 60, that part becomes 25 units. So we have found the length of that part. I pressed L, I pressed space. I clicked the last point once and pulled my mouse up. I did 35, enter. We will go to the left side, 35, enter. We found the upper part 25 units, 25, enter. I pressed escape, exited the command. We are at this point right now. Look, right here the measurement is given, 50 units up to here. Then we go down from here, 33 units. Then, from there to the left side, look, it says 27 units above. Then from here upwards, 41 units. Let's draw these immediately. I pressed L, I pressed space. I clicked once on the last point and pulled my mouse. 50, enter. I pulled my mouse down. 33, enter. I pulled it to the left side. 27, enter. I pull up. 41, enter. Now look, we've come to this point. There's a diagonal drawing from here to here, but there is no angle or measurement here. So let's not draw this, but let's draw this lower part first. Look, right on the left side it says 33 units. I pressed L, I pressed space. The starting point, that is, I clicked here and pulled my mouse up, 33, enter. Now look, since there is only this drawing left, there is no need to enter a measurement here. Why is that? Because I'm going to the last point. I click on it once, press escape, and this drawing is done. As you can see, we have made an easy drawing using only the line command. Such drawings are very important at first. In our next lesson, we will see how to draw from the 0, 0 point in the coordinate system, so see you in our next lesson.